See now, so you know, I think the little things make all the difference. Good morning. Oh, good morning. ये YouTube long format में ना यही problem है. I'm so used to seeing in the middle, but in fact I need to look at that camera ka hole to actually get used to chat. It feels like to make it look like I'm chatting with you all. So today I've decided I'm going to do a full-on long format how I do my basic makeup, everyday makeup. ना मेरे पास फैंसी सेटअप है, ना मुझे फैंसी सेटअप चाहिए, ना मुझे फैंसी लाइट्स चाहिए, ना मुझे पीछे का ओके ये बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा अजीब है बट वील हैव टू वर्क विद इट ओके क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि क्या होता है मैं भी एक यूट्यूब कंज्यूमर हूँ एंड इफ आई वांट टू सी द कलर ऑफ अ लिपस्टिक सपोज on YouTube it looks so nice and so different because there's lights, there's this, there's that, artificial lights. And I don't want any of that. I want you to see what it looks like on my lips. This is everything natural. Under eyes भी है, बहुत खड्डे हैं जो आप लोग मुझे बोलते रहते you don't have, you don't have. Of course I have. Over eyes. So yeah. शुरुआत करते हैं. First things first, moisturize. I'm not going to show you all. Should I show you all products? Okay. Right now using Estura. Use any moisturizer that works for you. Like I have dry skin, normal to dry skin. So especially in my under eye side, I need to put a lot of moisturizer. And then the key is for a base to set naturally, you have to have it moisturized. Imagine karo if it's dry या over oily होगा तो आपके मेकअप का जो भी products आप डाल रहे हो वो सब यहाँ वहाँ चले जाएंगे मीनिंग यहाँ से यहाँ यहाँ से यहाँ यहाँ से यहाँ नहीं एंटी ग्रेविटी नहीं डाउन एंड ऑफ कोर्स ड्राई स्किन पे सब जो क्रैक्स क्रीजेस क्रेवाइसेस होते हैं उसके अंदर खड्डे के अंदर जाके मेकअप भर जाता है एंड दैट लुक्स टेरेबल. I purposely spoke a lot. So basically what you can do is put on your moisturizer and go eat. Oh, I forgot snacks. Wait. Put moisturizer. Take 2-3 badams. चबाना चालू कर देना. जब खत्म होंगे, you know it's time for you to start your makeup. Now what I like to do first is use a lip balm and just hydrate my lips. I'm loving these NARS ke lip balms. This is in the shade Crush. Super hydrating and you know it sets your lips up. Sets your lips up? No, wrong. Preps your lips up before you put on the lipstick, fipstick, जो भी. ओके नाउ ये जो है ना ये मेरा तरीका है मत बोलना फर्स्ट डू दिस ये डू दैट नो आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड ये मैं करती आई हूँ ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छे से चलता है सो जस्ट लिसन इफ यू वांट टू नो गिव मी कमेंट्स आई डोंट वांट कमेंट्स. Now I'm going to first brush out my brows. I have nano bladed my brows so I don't need to fill them in, but if not just remember you need to fill them. So imagine if I hadn't I would go like that and यहाँ से भी चिक बट क्योंकि मैंने नैनो ब्लेड किया है मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं है फॉर एवर ब्लेडेड. नेक्स्ट कंसीलर. So what I like to do is put it यहाँ पे and you know this new technique I have learned. I even did a video on this. Just take your concealer and take कोई भी any liquid pink blush. Okay, कोई भी चलेगा. Don't worry about कौन सा वाला which one are you using. ये वाला Rare Beauty है but you literally whatever liquid blush you have at home use that. Then you just mix it up and you will literally create the best color corrector. You can even use a brush. Should I show you how it will be with a brush? Take any nice stiff brush. It should be stiff, okay, for your under eyes and do not smile. That's the one thing you don't want to do. So we've gone ahead and color corrected the under eyes. अभी जो बचा कुचा है यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. I have a remnant of a pimple तो जो बचा कुछ है वो यहाँ पे डाल दूंगी मैं. And done. Now, I personally, for my everyday wear, do not wear any foundation. अभी ये हो गया कलर करेक्ट. हम लोग कंसीलर बस यहाँ पे उतना डालेंगे. And wherever I put the corrector, वहाँ पे. First, we'll just blend this out. You know, a nice technique to make it look lifted is take your concealer and do that. कभी कभार मुझे याद रहता है, I do it, and if I don't remember, I don't. Dab this. See, spot disappeared. तो dab 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 seamlessly आ जाएगा. बाकी का हो ये क्रीज में डाल दो. ये क्रीज हम लोग हमेशा भूल ही जाते बेचारे. बस इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं डालती हूँ. So in my दिमाग makeup is literally to enhance your features. It's not to cover. Of course, it's you cover your under eyes and all, but it's you don't want to change your features. And if you want to change, then you're doing like full blown, proper, like transition वाले makeup videos. ये वो नहीं है. ये बहुत साधारण simple everyday makeup है. Now once I'm done with this, what I like to first do is contour. ताकि मैं ना मेरा फेस का शेप पहले एनहांस कर दूँ. सो रेयर ब्यूटी का भी एक है. इफ यू हैव द ओजी हुला, नथिंग बेटर देन दैट. दिस इज हाउ मच आई लव माय हुला. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. आई शो यू बोथ, वन विथ पाउडर. हमेशा रिमेंबर व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग कोई भी प्रोडक्ट, रिमेंबर टू टैप and remove the excess. You don't want blotches. So how I do it, I look in the okay, maybe I'll use my mirror. Maybe you all can still see me, na? I'll try and do ye baju. So I'll look into the mirror and I see this is my natural shadow. People who are very lucky have like wo to automatically, but ye mera shadow hai. So I'm just going to first dab that in that crease so that I know my natural shadow ka jagah. I don't know if you can already see a difference here and here. I to see it. Bhai, I don't know if you can. I can. Now the other side I will show you with cream. So same, I'm going to look for my natural and thoda upar usse. Cream mein you can put a little above the crease and blend. Easy part is you have so much leeway to do that. And what I like to do is take some on the fingers and बेसिकली जो भी नेचुरल शैडोज आते हैं मैं उसके ऊपर ही सब प्ले करने वाली हूँ. दिस यू जस्ट गो इन a cleft that I like to enhance. Yeah. Next, I'm going to go with my blush. Benefit just recently sent me their new launches, so I'm also dabbing it here and playing around with it. पहले तो ये मेरी सबसे फेवरेट मेकअप फॉरएवर की काजल थी, बट यू हैव टू सी व्हाट आई हैव डन टू इट. सो आई डिडंट नो दे गिव यू अ शार्पनर एंड आई वेंट एंड शार्पन द फुल प्लास्टिक का पार्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ऑफ इट, बट कोई नहीं, अभी वी विल काम चलाओ विथ इट. दिस इज हाउ आई डू माई आईज. देख लो, एकदम सही से देख लो. फर्स्ट आई विल लाइन माई ऊपर का वाटर लाइन without fail. And आँख बंद कर दो if you can't, because that way it will give you a seamless line. All I'm going to do is elongate it to make it look like that. यहाँ पे again I will show you. And then you can cut off जितना आपको चाहिए उतना. मेरे लिए I like it like this. वो बाहर थोड़ा, I don't mind it at all. The alternative to this is the Revlon का काजल जो है Blackest Black. I think that's the name. It's a really good kajal. Comes with a this also sharpener. Then sharpener मतलब पीछे नहीं है, ऊपर normal sharpener. So these multi sticks ना Rubies का I really enjoy them. Because they're very versatile. So this is a color sand. All I'm going to do is just at the edge. I'm going to fill it in like this. Okay. ये हम लोग खाली ना shadows create कर रहे और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. When you will actually see it, it will not look only like makeup, but because I've created a shadow, I am making the shape like that. ये है Clinique का. I really enjoy using this mascara. I just do this and then this. Similarly this, so that ये ऊपर चला जाए and then dab of the excess in my बाल. बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. We've played around with contour, blush, फलाना ढिगना. So take any compact. This one is a Laura Mercier one, but take a Lakme one, take a Revlon one, take any one that you have at home. Please don't need to spend money and faltu mein because I'm using this. You don't need to do that at all. Again, see, I dab. Then look up. First we would just do this so that अगर creases के अंदर घुस गया हो तो वो blend हो जाए and then you dab it. So under eyes का पूरा का पूरा set. Some people like me with kajal in the नीचे का waterline. Some people say it looks better without. For me now, I think it depends on my mood. Some days I like it like this and some days I like it like this. But see the difference. काजल के साथ आंखें छोटी लगती है, काजल बिना आंखें बड़ी लगती है. But a technique to even change that shape ना is, ये मैंने डाला है ना, I will just take my fingers and थोड़ा मैं purposely try करूँगी निकालने को. Hence you need like a nice kajal which smudges. And see अभी देखो, अभी ये बड़ी लग रही है, ये छोटी लग रही है. ऐसा नहीं, दिमाग है ना मेरे पास. My favorite highlighter. Dab it at the corners and then I take little on my eyes. And eyes का because थोड़ा है ना, just go like that with your fingers. Perfect. Trust me, invest in a good brown lip liner, okay? Whether you are fair, wheatish, dark, just a good brown lip liner is your game changer. See how easily it glides because my lips already moisturized. Now, if you have small lips like I do this to, I don't know. Is it something in my head? But I feel like जैसे मैं वो करती हूँ ना, my lips feel more plumpy. Let's give a shout out to this new Indian brand called Pali Beauty. They make really nice products. Trust me, क्या करो, कोई भी अपना highlighter लो, ऐसे dab करो. Then take a very पतला सा brush. अभी मैं है कोई भी पतला brush. Take a little bit of product and then just put it in the corner of your eye. See the difference. See now. So you know, now I think the little things make all the difference. Life में भी छोटी छोटी चीजें make all the big difference. And we are done. Forgot to mention like, subscribe to my channel. Cannot believe I just said that.